Hello, good day everyone. I am Jonah Ayube by name, a digital marketer, and I am here to share a digital marketing tutorial that is helping most Nigerians to make streams of income from home, and it's called the 72 IG Digital Marketing for Nigerians. 72 IG Digital Marketing for Nigerians is created by Toyin Omotoso. Toyin Omotoso is an expert in digital marketing, and he has helped many Nigerians to be successful in online businesses such as affiliate marketing. Now, I can promote any product with ease with the help of his program. And being an affiliate marketer with ClickBank for more than 7 years, I have been struggling with promotion of products. A friend of mine introduced me to Toyin Omotoso, an affiliate marketing expert in Nigeria, and I purchased his course on 72 IG implementation step-by-step training program and learned what has changed my life after following the course dedicatedly, and now I can promote any products with ease. What you will get from this training? 1. The 72 IG implementation training program is valued for 2.5 million, frankly speaking, after going through the program. 2. The original 72 IG training course is valued for 30,000 naira. 3. It's a 1-year affiliate account on Expatnia, and it's valued for 10,000. So its total in amount is 40,000. Webpage builders and pre-designed templates are free of charge on this course. Email marketing template that values 250,000 are also included. You will have access to Facebook 72 IG group support. It's also free. Now you can have 50% commission on the 72 IG implementation program. That is where you are now a member and you refer anybody to purchase this particular program, you can earn 50% commission of it. And it also has 40 plus other products that you can also introduce to people when doing the affiliate program. 8 is it has the 2-in-1 bonus that is valued for 15,000. Now, what this training will do for you? You have to know what this training will do for you. So, on this training you on online business that can make you 750k a month. Training you on how to market affiliate products online via emails. Training you on how to market affiliate products online via Facebook. Training you on how to market affiliate products online via Instagram. Training you on how to market affiliate products online via WhatsApp. Now you can also apply this same knowledge to promote any other affiliate products and make money. You can also use it to promote your own personal products too, or services, with the help of this training on this Expatnia program. The training itself is first class and also step by step, and one that gives also support for students. This course have loads of testimonies. If you enjoy this article, you are going to enjoy the full tutorials masterclass that makes you stand out as a digital marketer to sell any product on the internet. Click below to subscribe to this tutorial, and also click below to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more affiliate products that I will be uploading on it. Thanks for watching.